A Russian T-80BVM tank, probably hitting a mine, becomes easily a target for the Ukrainian drone army to completely destroy the tank to take it out of any future battle. As generally the best position to hit a tank is the back section over the engine compartment. As the tank can combust, have fragile parts here and have low armor, there could however sometimes be a better option. As this Ukrainian drone operator noticed, the hatch on the turret is open, homing in on the opportunity, making an explosion go straight inside if hitting it right. As the FPV drone explodes right in the opening, the tank's internal will suffer heavy damages, making sure the T-80 tank can't be brought back into battle, reducing one more of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.